This is the third part of the Jenkow plugin demonstration. As a one-time effort, we need to set up Eclipse as the workflow editor. I'm using here Eclipse Indigo, that means version 3.7.2, but you can also use Eclipse Juno. Because Jenkow uses a Git repository in Jenkins to store the workflow definitions, we need to install egit into Eclipse. This is simple. We go to Help, Eclipse Marketplace, we search for egit, click the Install button, next we accept the terms of the license agreement and hit the Finish button. Now here we don't restart Eclipse yet because we have to install the Jenkow/activity designer. So we say not now. And this is now where the Eclipse update site link comes into the picture. Let's just copy the URL of this Eclipse. Actually, let's click on it so we can see something about the Eclipse update site plugin and how it works. All we care about is the Eclipse site URL. Let's copy this into the clipboard. Now back in Eclipse, we say Help, Install New Software. We add another repository, let's call it Jenkow, and paste the Eclipse site URL into here. Now we can see what all the different pieces are available in this update site, which is the activity designer, graffiti is being used by the designer, and finally the Jenkow feature, which uses a Jenkow plugin. This is what we want. We select all. Next. Another confirmation. This is what we want. We hit the Next button. We also need to accept the terms of the license agreements and say Finish. Because the Jenkow plugin has not been signed yet, we get this warning here. And finally, we want to restart Eclipse. And Eclipse is back. Now we have the setup ready in Eclipse, and we are going to actually look into the workflow definitions, and we do this in the next part of this screencast.